Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can receive payments in a Brex account. So let's get started. If you want to receive money in your Brex cash account, there are a few simple methods you can use depending on where the payment is coming from. First, log in to your Brex dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the Accounts or Cash section. Here you will find your account details, including your account number and routing number. The most common way to receive payments is through ACH transfer. Simply share your Brex account number and routing number with the sender. They can use these details to send money directly from their bank, and the funds will usually arrive within 1 to 3 business days. You can also receive domestic or international wire transfers. For this, go to your account details and copy the wire instructions provided by Brex. Share these details with the sender, including any required SWIFT or intermediary bank information for international transfers. Another option is to receive payments through integrations. If you're using tools like Stripe or other payment processors, you can connect your Brex account to receive payouts directly. Once the payment is sent, you can track it from your Brex dashboard under Transactions or Activity. And that's it. That's how you can receive payments in your Brex account quickly and easily. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.